Marks & Spencer has announced it will close 30 UK clothing and home shops and convert dozens more into food stores. Chief Executive Steve Rowe's turnaround plans will also see 200 new Simply Food shops open as it shifts away from disappointing clothes sales. He said M&S also plan to close loss-making shops in 10 international markets, including China and France. The announcements came as M&S reported falling sales and profits in the 6 months to the end of September. Mr. Rowe said of the UK store closures, "This is about building a sustainable, more profitable business that's relevant for our customers in a digital shopping age." He would not be drawn on job losses or which stores would close, amid warnings from trade unions that staff would be extremely concerned about where the axe will fall. With new food stores opening, the company will have more stores overall and more towns will have an M&S, Mr. Rowe told the BBC. He added that customers still love M&S, but that it could do better. Sales decline. However, its half-year results show the problems facing Mr. Rowe, who took over in April. Clothing sales in existing stores fell 5.9%, while its stronger performing food business saw sales drop by 0.9%. Pre-tax profit dropped 88% to £25.1 million, from £216 million in the same period a year ago, partly due to higher pension costs. Asked if M&S would raise prices in the coming months to compensate for the weaker pound, Mr. Rowe said it currently planned to absorb the higher costs. "We've obviously got currency pressures that have come onto us recently, but we intend to mitigate those through better sourcing, by better volumes with our manufacturers, and our intention is that we won't have to pass those price rises onto the consumer in the new year," he told the BBC. The retailer has over 300 full-range sites, which sell clothing, homeware, and food, and nearly 600 Simply Food shops in the UK. Dunkirk moment. It also plans to shut 53 international stores, including all 10 in China, half of its stores in France and all its shops in Belgium, Estonia, Hungary, Lithuania, the Netherlands, Poland, Romania, and Slovakia. That represents more than a quarter of the international stores that M&S fully owns, and will cost £150 m £200 m. The company said it would start a consultation with 2,100 employees over the proposals. Retail Vision analyst John Ibbotson said, "M&S's humiliating withdrawal from 10 overseas markets is a Dunkirk moment for the iconic British brand." Investors were unsure about M&S's results and store closure plans, with shares initially rising before falling back in early trading. Analysts at Liberum said they had wanted to see radical action from M&S, but that they saw Mr. Rowe's plans as medium radical. Of the UK plans, Matthew Hopkinson, a director at the local data company, said, "M&S's store closures, whilst not significant statistically, will have a big impact for the towns where they have been the high street anchor for many years."